everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I've been renting different places ever since I got here in Hawaii. My most cheapest rent was $650 a month, but I didn't really like that place because my landlord was very strict. Like, she would only want me to wash laundry once a week, which is impossible if you have 3 pairs of uniform. Currently, my rent is $900, which doesn't include utilities. Utilities range $30, but I recently just got a portable AC, so I'm not really sure how much my utilities will be, but I guess we'll see. My landlord doesn't let me pay for the Wi-Fi. His Wi-Fi is kind of slow. That's why I decided to get my own Wi-Fi, which is around $50 a month. Rent $900, utilities around $30, Wi-Fi is $50. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I wanted to give you a tour of my room. So you can remember from my last video, my room wasn't furnished when I got it. It was my first time to buy my own furniture. Yeah, I've been enjoying buying furniture lately. It's not much, but it was an experience to furnish my own room. If you're interested, just keep on watching.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Door, I put a doggy door so that I can go in and out of my room without having to worry about the dogs running out. Dogs.
Can't go out. Yeah, buddy. Go out. Can't go out.
Side, you'll see my full-length mirror just to help me look at myself when I'm ready to go out the door. And then here you'll see my laundry basket, which I got from Amazon. I used to have an open laundry basket, but my dogs, they keep attacking my laundry, so this one was really good. Ever since I got this basket, they weren't able to get into my laundry. And then on the side here is where I keep their dog food, and I actually like this dog food dispenser. You can just open. On this side, you'll see my TV console. It's the LG 65-inch OLED display. I got this one from Best Buy. I decided to invest on a TV just because I like to watch Netflix on my days off. And then you'll see my wall clock up there. Down here on my TV stand, you will see my switch, my controls, my Instax camera, and then my laptop is also down here with my mouse. Down here is just random books with some of my chargers. The consoles. And here I just have a little area for my lotions and stuff. And down here will be the Switch games, DVDs, and the controls. Down here on the side, just have a little desk with my speakers, pens, a lamp, and then I have this portable AC. which I got from Facebook Marketplace. It was a really good deal. I only got it for $100, which the usual price range is around $300 and up. And then I have my little vanity table right over here, which is my recent purchase from Simply Organized. Yes, I really love this organizer because it helps me get ready in the morning. Has a mirror, and then you'll see here my makeup organizer, and I have a little charging station over here. Also has a drawer, my jewelry organizer, my notebooks, and some of my scrunchies. And I have a little trash can down there. This chair I got from Ross. I really like it. It's pink and I think it was about $60. And then on the side, I have a sliding door over here which leads to the backyard. It gives my room a lot of light. And I like that it has a backyard so that my dogs can run outside whenever they want. And there's her stroller. And beside my bed, I just have this little chair. My favorite display in my room is this portrait of my dogs. So I'm still waiting for Danny to grow up so I can add a photo of him down here. And you already know about my bed. It's a queen size bed. I got it from Bedmart. It's really amazing. Memory foam. It's just a glimpse of my closet. All my stuff up there. My bags. So yeah, this right here is my little doggy corner. I have here the doggy box and my dog's pee pads, which I get from Costco because they're more cheaper than other places like Petco. And I have their wet wipes. And right here on the side is their doggy bowls. This was supposedly Danny's cage when he was a puppy. I just put him there now when I need to. Whenever I need to put him on the side because I need to clean the room. Or he's being not a good puppy. And over there is their bed with all their toys. These dogs love their toys. Yeah, buddy? Oh my god, he bumped into my camera. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my room. I like it. It serves its purpose and not even home most of the time. I do work 3 to 5 days a week, 12 hours, 8 hours, depends on the shift. And I just like that I get to go home in a place that's really nice, comfortable, suits my preferences. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!